Hello guys, this is a guide on how to blur the video background with Avclabs and Filmora. Here you can see two different blurred background effects. Let's start with Avclabs. After uploading the video to the program, click here to preview the original video. Then click on BG Blur and choose a background blur type. Here you can choose mosaic or blur. Next, just add it to the task and hit export. You can preview the effect here, and the video will be automatically saved to the corresponding folder after processing. Then let's take a look at how Filmora works. Still click here to preview the original video first. Then click Effect and select this template in AI Portrait. Now you can see that the background of the characters has become black. Drag our media into the toolbar again. Then select Mosaic Full in the effect. Now pull the mosaic effect to the same length as the video. Click play and you can see the effect of the mosaic video background. If you are satisfied, just click export. Thanks for watching. Which way do you prefer? Just leave your comment.